capital expenditures are awfully hard to come by.
We're all accustomed to making, capital sales to where it's a fairly large dollar amount that's required to get, the newer technology.
Machine as a service is a way for manufacturers to upgrade their technology and manufacturing capacity without the capital investment. Here at Arnold Machine Inc., or AMI, we are a full-service design and manufacturer of custom integrations, custom solutions for our customers' manufacturing processes.
In today's day and age, everybody's working on a budget. And typically a machine purchase has a certain payback. And so a while ago, it used to be a machine had to be paid back in 5 years' time before it was justifiable. Things started getting tough, then it went back to 3 years. And I've even heard of some of our customers have a 2-year payback, which makes it extremely difficult for them to get new technology into their facility. So with Machine as a Service, it's really simple. We can sign the contract with the customer, we can build the machine built to their needs, we can get it on their floor, and they're in production right away.
This is different because it eliminates the need for capital. This equipment is now on a customer's floor as an operating expense versus a capital expense. Our program is structured based on machine usage, machine availability, and the compensation structure is based solely around that.
It's based on a cost per minute of usage or cost per hour of usage. So it's based on production capabilities of the system.
Us, the OEM, the manufacturer, we own the machine. We'll put it in our customer's facility, maintain and service the machine while they're using it for their production. Best fit customers are larger manufacturers, companies that have a need to produce a lot of parts. Very good customers for the 2 machines that we're starting with are diverse with a large product mix. These machines have been selected for this program because of their versatility, their ability to process multiple different part types. We have a adhesive coating machine, which is it's a chain on edge index automated spray machine, and we have a rotary basket washer.
Coming from a custom design background, these are pieces of machinery that I would consider probably more of a standard piece of equipment for us. They've been out on customers' floors for many years, gained a lot of feedback from how these machines operate, and we've been able to optimize these systems throughout the years.
Feature upgrades would be, technology upgrades. We are in the custom equipment business, so, we're always improving technology and upgrading things. As those things arise, we'll bring those to the customer and implement them as they make sense.
I'm really excited because I think we're on the leading edge of the machine acquisitions of the future. And this brings a good opportunity to AMI to help our customers in a different way.
This program is truly a partnership between us and our customers. We are a partner in their production requirements. So it's in our best interest for them to be producing as much as they can possibly produce.
Presents a great opportunity for us to be able to provide a new piece of equipment for our customer. We're being paid by the usage of the machine, and the customer is able to increase their throughput, guarantee consistency of their product. Ties us in from a maintenance standpoint. We obviously understand if the system's not being used, if it's not available to use, we're not being paid. So it's joint incentive for both of us to be able to manage and monitor that machine.
First things, just give us a call. We'd be happy to tell you about the program, either myself or one of our astute sales guys. We can walk you through the process. It really, it comes down to, the need. If the need is there, the requirement's there, and the program seems to fit that need, then we can talk about it further.
Give us a call, and together we'll figure out the right machine for your application.